The Feekoon Heat Diffuser 9.4 uses a thick cast iron plate to tame strong gas flames and create a much more controlled, gentle heat under your cookware. By lifting pots and pans slightly above the burner and shielding them from direct flame, it makes slow simmering sauces, soups, and stews far easier with fewer hot spots. The heavy-duty cast iron construction resists warping at high temperature and holds heat well, so food cooks more evenly and is less likely to scorch on the bottom. Its generous diameter and sturdy build allow it to support a wide range of cookware sizes, including larger pots used for family meals or entertaining. In everyday use, it excels at tasks like simmering, reheating, and keeping dishes warm without burning, which can noticeably improve overall stovetop results. The simple one-piece design blends in with typical gas stove grates and is easy to place or remove, making it a practical upgrade for anyone who often cooks low and slow.